The Supreme Court could issue a decision on presidential immunity as soon as this week, with the potential to reshape the powers of the nation's highest office and hurl the 2024 presidential election into new waters. At the heart of former President Trump's challenge is whether ex-commanders-in-chief have criminal immunity for official acts carried out in the White House. His legal team claims those protections cover his efforts to prevent the transfer of power after losing the 2020 presidential election. Trump's challenge has put his federal election subversion case on an indefinite pause as the justices weigh the extent to which presidents are covered by immunity. During oral arguments in April, Trump's attorneys asked the justices to embrace a far-reaching view of presidential immunity, asserting that presidents have total immunity for official acts in office, and that protection applies after they leave the White House.
To authorize the prosecution of a president for his official acts would open a Pandora's box from which this nation may never recover.
They even suggested that ordering the assassination of a political rival could be covered by presidential immunity. Meanwhile, special counsel Jack Smith's team contended that only sitting presidents are immune from criminal prosecution, and that criminal conduct would be given a free pass under Trump's interpretation of the law. The justices seemed inclined to find a more nuanced answer to the question, in which former presidents can be prosecuted for private conduct while still enjoying immunity on actions considered core to their presidential responsibilities.
And every time the radical left Democrats, Marxists, communists, and fascists, and that's exactly what they are, they're fascists, indict me, I consider it a great badge of honor.
If the high court backs Trump, his criminal indictments could start to fall apart. But even if the court declines to back his position fully, it could push any trial in Trump's cases beyond the presidential election. A decision this week could fall just before the first presidential debate of the 2024 election cycle, which is scheduled for Thursday.